Welcome to Brainloop. Today we will learn Python, plus Biopython for Biochem students. Let's make biology smarter using code. What is Python? Python is a simple, powerful programming language. It's used in data science, all and machine learning, web apps, and now biology and drug discovery. Python is easy to read, super useful, and open-source.com Python for biologists. You can read DNA and protein sequences, visualize mutations, predict drug interactions, even build your own vaccine models with Python. Biology becomes interactive and smart. What is Biopython? Biopython is a Python library for working with biological data. It helps you read faster nucleotides or amino acids, analyze sequences, and build tools like blast readers or protein models used in real labs research and drug design. What you'll protein models used in real labs research and drug design. What you'll learn in this series: read sequences with Biopython, analyze proteins, composition and codons, create graphs and bar charts, and apply it in research or freelancing. Let's start. Subscribe to Brainloop for silent smart tutorials in science, Python, AI, bioinformatics, productivity, just focus learning.